Hello students. Students, due to some technical problem, we have not been able to connect in Teachment app. So I would like to send you the video of today's lesson, and that is resource. So before starting the chapter resource of geography, we would like to congratulate you all for coming in new class 8. So let's start, students. We will talk about resources, the first chapter. So first we have to know that what is resources. Whatever, whenever we see the things around us, whatever we see, these all things are usable. These all things are being used by us, and so on. All the things which satisfy us, which fulfill our requirement, these all things are resources. So literally meaning of resources, whenever we focus on that matter, that topics, we will know that the term resource has been derived from the Latin word, and that is research. Research, researge, research, which means to rise again. It also has, close link with the old French word, that is reshoot, and that means to relive. Means all the elements becomes resource only when its importance is known and it is beneficial to man. So all the things which is beneficial to the man and which are in use, these are called the resources. So resources we can define like this: resources are considered as the means to achieve man's given ends and to satisfy wants, be the individual or societal. Resources are basically, students, whenever we know about the resources, so we can say that resources are basically means of achieving given ends, a tool to satisfy human wants, a possible assistance, a base for survival, a stuff which can be used in need. Means all the things, which are achieving given in, tool to satisfy human wants, a possible assistance, and a base for survival. These we can say these are the resources. Resources, the essential conditions resources का जो है, that is utility, functionality, and we can say now the utility. On the basis of utility and functionality, we find the resources. That's why we can classify the resources on the following basis, and these are, content, availability, frequency of occurrence, durability, and origin. So students, we can classify all the resources, means all the things which are being used by us in our different, in the different way. These are first contents. On the basis of content, we can know the resources as natural resource, human resources, and cultural resources. Then come to the point, what is natural resources? Natural resources are all the resources which are gifted by the nature, and human resources, all the resources which are made by the human. And cultural resources, cultural developed by the human involvement. So all the things which are in which the human involvement are, these are called, the cultural resources. So students, now we will discuss on other types of resources on the basis of availability and frequency of occurrence, durability and origin in our next video. So thank you very much.